You are the main reason kung bakit nakapaghilom lahat ng sugat sa puso, babe. It was you. You made me believe that despite all the cruel and nasty things that could happen in this world, babe, there are still people capable of good.
Pero bakit? Bakit hindi mo sinabi sa akin lahat ng to? Bakit kailangan sa iba ko pa pwedeng malaman? Kasi, kung mahal mo ako, sasabihin mo sa akin yan eh. Diba?
I was scared. Natakot ako pagdudahan mo ako, babe. That if you knew the truth, lalayuan mo ako. Mawawala ka sa akin. I can't have that. Babe. I love you. I love you so much. I could never do anything to ruin that. So yung binibintang nila sa akin, wala akong kinalaman doon. I have nothing to do with Moncanor's disappearance, babe. Nothing. I would never do that. I love you. Babe, ayoko maglihim sa'yo. Hirap na akong magtago at maglihim sa'yo, babe. Kaya gusto ko naman talaga sabihin sa'yo lahat eh. I was gonna tell you. Naunahan lang talaga ako ng ate mo. Babe. You know I love you so much, right? Never do anything to jeopardize that, babe. Please, you have to believe me. I love you with all my heart.
Mahal din kita, Renan. And because of my feelings for you, at alang-alang sa magiging anak natin, I will give you the benefit of the doubt. I will not pass judgment on you hanggat patuloy pa yung kaso. Pero kapag napatunayan ko na lahat ng sinasabi ni Ate Lynette ay
telling you
totoo,
the truth. I really am. You have to believe me. I am telling you the truth. Babe, hindi ko kaya sirahin yung tiwala mo dahil mahalaga ka sa akin, importante ka sa akin, ikaw ang pinaka-importante tao sa akin, kayong dalawa. Kaya sana huwag nating hayaang maging hadlang to sa mga plano natin, babe. Please. Tuloy na natin yung kasal. Please.
I'm sorry, Renan. But I think it's best na wag na muna nating ipilit. Gusto ko na ma-resolve muna yung kaso before we make the next move. And I hope you understand that.
Of course. Completely, babe. If that's your decision, wholeheartedly, I will respect it. Come on. You want water? I'll go get some.